ready for another rebuild. I know Isaac's ready.
Oh yeah.
He's ready because he went out last week too. And guess who we've got in the back? Our camera guy, Kelly. You know what? He's not even gonna do that much camera work. Anyway, we are headed out to Wimbledon, North Dakota. And we're gonna work on a 42.5 foot 1890. Yeah, we'll get him up and rolling for the spring here. We have the rebuild guys coming up, hopefully tonight. They ran into some snags on an 1860 drill down in South Dakota. It should be a good time, so come join us. All right, I was a failure with that big camera there. Kelly's putting it away for me, so yeah. Hopefully I don't ever have to take that out. All right, Isaac, you are working down here, working on the back rank right now, putting the depth handles and the shifter plates on there. Our goal today would probably be to get all of those on. Show you as we're going here. We are ripping this old John Deere monitor off, all those wires, going to the Intelligent Ag Recon blockage monitor. Got to clean up sometimes, huh? Just in the way here. And we actually did do a pretty good job of saving these. We don't always do a good job of that because it just takes time. Let's go put these guys kind of where they belong, which is in another box. And who knows, maybe they'll end up on BizMan. Okay, so I didn't get it on camera right away. We're installing blockage sensors, and what did Kelly find? A big old blockage in there. You can't see it very well right now, but he's gonna smack that thing on the floor because it's probably a little, look at all that coming out. Still got more to come. Oh yeah. Not only are we installing blockages, we're getting rid of blockages too. Did you know that that run was blocked?
No, I did not.
Little moldy, you know?
Yeah.
But why wouldn't it be? Because it's probably only been sitting there for what, 10 months?
Yep. I think we got a lot of it.
Nice. All right, we are wrapping up day one of Operation Help the Heavy Crew. We've got Kelly over here. How are you doing, Kelly?
Doing pretty good. It was a pretty successful day.
Yeah, feels like we got pretty much everything we wanted to get done. We got the blockage monitor put on, harnesses run up to the hitch point, so we'll be out of the way then. We've got the depth handles and the covers on. We are just doing a little cleanup right now because it is gonna get all dusty, and so let's let it settle when we're not around. Yeah, we had a great first day. Hopefully we can knock out the cart tomorrow, and for the light crew here, most of us, or at least some of us, will head back, and hopefully the heavy crew is showing up tomorrow. Good morning. Check out this place called the Candy Shop in Wimbledon, North Dakota. It's got a ton of beds. We each got 4 of our own. Check out this living room here. Look at that swan. Humongous. All right, we're headed back out to the job. Hopefully Chuck and the boys show up here soon. And I am in the belly of the beast here. Help me out. Okay, I came in here to take the ladder bolts out, but I ended up finding something interesting. I have not touched it yet, so I don't even know what this is from. But if you look down in there, we've got a piece of paper down on the bottom. Not sure what it is. Got all these tools on me, so I'm like balancing that. What do we got here? Well, we got what the mix was here. Crazy, huh? Anyway, undisturbed. We'll give that to the farmer. Well, that'll get you all dusty. There we go. That sucker's gonna be hot. Round 2. Fight. Taking way longer than it should, and I am covered in dust. This is why I left the farm. Just kidding.
Trust me, I've had longer experiences in the tank before.
Feels like I'm failing right now, Isaac.
Well, now you're gonna be ripping through it, I think, so.
Well, I hope so. So our whole reason for coming out here was to help out what I will call the heavy crew. And guess who just showed up? The heavy guys. And there's the leader of the pack, Chuck Fall. Are you worn out yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We got more to go.
You bet we do. We're quite a ways along.
We're glad we're in warmer weather.
Yeah? Was it pretty cold?
15 below.
Hey, you know.
Putting the harness on.
We got to rip down to this spot. Some of these boots, we're not able to get the seed tube out, so we'll probably have to bust the boot. I'm the guy that's filming right now. Yep. Getting to know everybody.
Yep.
You know, the important stuff.
Right, yep.
Yeah, you got to be on YouTube.
Yep.
When they come in and they're jacking up the drill and
Moving her around.
they're moving her around. We just came out to supplement, I think.
Yep.
Oh, that's pretty sweet. I've never seen them jack it up before. Even just a few inches makes all the difference for being under here. Well, there is a reason that I call these guys the heavy crew. They're lifting things off the ground. There's actually room in here now. What is this?
We don't have any more of those though.
I don't want to.
Blocking her up. Making it easy on themselves. Oh, we got some sweet stainless going on here. Check that action out. They break up the neighborhood. They're just so loud. I mean, look at that. Just so loud all the time. That's got to be a bit of a bugger to get those metal ones. Turning into a bit of a spectator sport here, huh?
It is. Yeah. So that one there.
There she went. Well, it is a 68 row machine, but with those center ones that, you know, we can get all the way up to 72 with that. Alrighty, I should probably go keep working on the HDC over here. I'm videoing the video guy as the guy videos. Figure that one out. Well, I have been plugging in connectors now for the hydraulic drive conversion for a while, and my fingies hurt. So I thought I'd give you a walk around here quick. Looks like shell casings almost, with all these main opener arm bushings on the ground, press wheel bushings on the ground.
It's a war zone.
It is a war zone in here. It's an epic fight, but you know, at the end we're gonna win here. Chuck's getting all greasy for some reason. He just likes to get in grease. It would be an interesting stat to know how many pounds of material we have taken off of drills in the last 6 months. Yeah, you should just comment down below. How many pounds do you think that we have pulled off of drills in the last 6 months here? I think we've been going every week pretty much for the last 6 months. Anyway, to give you a little progress report over here, stainless meter up, ready to go. Hydraulic drive conversion, not as long. We have got wires all over the place right now. We'll get those cleaned up. All right, we're getting close to finishing this guy up. I need to head back, but thanks for watching. Let us know if you want us to come out to your farm and get your drill in tip-top shape. You know what? Let's just finish it for him. Hey, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. We love all the comments we get. If those guys would just stop with that, goodness gracious, I'm shooting an outro here. Anyway.